Alright, welcome back. So, today we're going to be doing Bob. Oh my god. Good guys. Are you ready for the CTF? Yeah, I guess. I mean, I signed up for it. We'll see. We'll see how much I can actually do on it. But, alright, so, I got Bob up and running. It's a box on VolunHub. And, yeah, I guess we're going to try to do this one today. Supposedly it's one of the OSCP-like boxes. I don't quite know, but we'll try them and we'll see what he's all about. So I already got him up and running. Like I said, it's a VolunHub box, so let's go ahead and do an mmap TAC-SN for 10.10.10.0 network, because it is on my internal network there. While we're doing that, we can also do like a sudo net discover. It looks like he's probably 10.10.10.42. That's what I'm going to go with. So we don't need that. So we got 10.10.10.42 here. And let's go ahead and see what this guy's all about here. So let's start with an mmap scan. TAC-P TAC for all ports, TAC-PN for do not ping. Oh my god, that is not what I wanted. Alright. 10.10.10.42, right? Let's go ahead and try that mmap scan and stand in. TAC-P TAC for all ports, TAC-PN for do not ping, TAC-PV for various verbals, TAC-T4 for timing of 4, 1 above the minimum, TAC-N for no DNS lookup, 10.10.10.42. Alright, so this is the first time I've seen this box. We got 25, 468, and 80. Let's go ahead and do an mmap scan. TAC-P on 25468 for this IP address. That is SSH, okay. And let's go ahead and start up also a Python 3 dir search, I guess. And we'll just use, I guess we're using medium.txt. Alright, whatever's there. That's what I use. I'm lazy. For 10.10.10.42, and let's go ahead and also check this page out. While we're going to it. Oh, we got quite a few things already popping up here. Go and check out that 10.10.10.42. And, okay, Millburg High School. Website under construction. I know. Under Control U, we do have a login HTML. We got quite a few things here. So, let's click on home, see if we get anything. This is probably home, like right here. News. Alright. Complete IT school system rework. Last week we had a hacker breach our school network and compromise our servers. We aren't sure if they stole or leaked anything important. However, we've taken steps to prevent this from happening again. We have hired new IT staff to help secure the network, and the main school server is only accessible internally. For that reason, we disable logging and externally until further notice. So it's time for exams. First, I got time to deploy anything. Grand Library. Huh. We can find books and other topics. So there's some type of library. Wonder if we're going to see anything about that. Our match against the Badgers is going without a fluke. We won 35-0. Makes feet good to our team. And then welcome everyone to one of the best years yet. Enrollments are through the roof. We have a new exciting staff on campus that add more books to our fabulous library. That's the I talked about library. For the best high school academy. That was nice ham and cheese sandwich. Alright. We do also get a couple of names here too, so we'll have to remember that. So we got Dean McDuffie, he seems to be the principal, and then Alex Johns, that's the head coach. So we got Dean and Alex, or maybe like D McDuffie or something like that. We got a couple of different usernames we can use. Let's check out what About Us is. We got About Us, contact us. We have 500 new students this year. Enrollments, contact us. Go ahead and open like a new tab. Year 9 to count for 420 students is the biggest year 9 roll. Main office. So we got some phone numbers, email addresses. The only thing we saw was SSH, things like that. Let's go ahead and do another mmap scan just in case. We also have a passwords HTML. Okay, that's something new. Let's try a Python 3 dir search again. Or not Python 3, let's try a mmap scan again. 10.10.10.42. Definitely said that you can't get in from outside, but that's telling me you can, like right there, that port. So we get a lot more names here. I feel like Bob and Rob are the same person. The box is also called Bob, so Sebastian, Joseph C, and Joseph is spelled wrong. Joseph C. So I guess they don't like that guy very much. Okay, let's go ahead and check out that path. Let's go ahead and go to login first. And also check out that passwords. Passwords.html. Really, who made this file? At least get a hash of your password display. Hackers can't do anything with a hash. This is probably why we had a security breach in the first place. Come on, people. This is base security 101. Okay, so we get passwords, web shell. I wonder if web shell is something we can use. Logging external security disabled. Web shell? Is that something that we can use? No. Okay. Is robots in here? Okay, we do have robots. We have a dev shell. .php. Lap memo. We already saw that password. Let's go and check out that lap memo like real quick. 10.10.10.42 lap memo. Memo saying, hey guys, IT here. Don't forget to check your emails regarding the security breach. There's a web shell running on the server. No protection, but it should be safe that it ported over the filter from the old Windows server, which probably wasn't really working very well since you guys got hacked already. Let's go ahead and do this dev shell then. I'm going to do 10.10.10.42 dev shell.php. Let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Alright, we got command ls-la. Can we do something like that? Get out skid laughing out loud. pwd pipe it pwd. Pipe it ls-la. What about something like this? This bulletproof PHP code. Okay, so can't do that. We can't do this like right here. What about that? Just submit that. This is bulletproof PHP code. I wonder if we can use like SQL map or something. Then we do get an output, but it's not showing us anything. Reach output dev image source. So pipe down submit. Does it like come over as like PNG file or something? No. No, it does not. Okay. It's not showing me any output. That's what's weird. ID back. So it's acting like it wants us to do something with that, but it's not showing us anything once we get to that point. So that's kind of weird. I don't know. That's really weird. Div ID shell. So we did a pipe. Pipe PWD, something like that. Did I already do that one? Pipe PWD. Okay, 10.10.10.15. Do something like that. It's not telling us we can't do certain things, so piping isn't working. I think we like do something like base 64, like echo something. Pipe echo. So if I type in echo, I feel like it's gonna give me that one thing again, right? Like yeah, get out or whatever. No. Echo. Hello. Submit that. Okay, so we got an echo. So that's weird. So we got an echo of hello. But like whenever I do something with like a pipe, that's not working like right there. So can we do like an echo pipe it PWD? Can we do something like that? We can. Okay. I should probably be taking notes of this also, shouldn't I? My cherry tree documents. Let me go ahead and pull up my cherry tree here. File, new instance. open file, and we are in desktop, OSCP like boxes. Boom. Okay, let's go ahead and grab that one, and we'll say, hey, we got another one here, don't we? Boom, boom. We'll say, oh, we got Bob. Alright, and we'll go ahead and start with our nmap scan. I did not take a single note yet. So let's grab this real quick. TAC-SV showed 25468 was SSH. Okay. And then we went to the website, which we found to be this. Let's go straight back to home here. That was the website right there. Boom. Okay. Oh, let me go ahead and actually delete that. So I forgot to take any notes on here. So then we'll say port 80. There we go. And then from there we did a Python 3 dir search. Now didn't we? This thing never pulled up robots either. Well, it does have like 17,000 errors though too. But then we did a dir search. And then manually enumerating robots, huh? So we just do something like that. Boom. Manually went to robots.txt, and we found this. We also found passwords.html. There we go. And then we found lab memo.html. From there we went to dev shell. And then we saw, let me go ahead and just do like an ls-tag-la again. Okay. That happened when doing an ls-tag-la. Let's try echo. Alright, cool. And then we'll go ahead and throw that echo in there, and we'll see if we can get anything for that. I don't know how much guidance I'm going to be able to give you on a CTF. I'm not very good at CTFs. So we'll echo, that's that hello, right? And we're going to see if that hello pops up. Yeah, like the CTFs are like, find the magic number. I'm like, I don't freaking know. No idea. Alright, there we go. So, echo hello. Produced the following output. Whenever I try to use a pipe by itself, nothing worked. However, with echo, it did work. So echo pipe pwd shows this, right? Now let's go ahead and do it like an echo pipe cat SE password. Can we do something like that? Yes, we can. Okay. The above is echo pipe cat /SE password. Alright, cool. So we did that. So let's go ahead and figure out who's actually on this box over here, right? Control U. Look at that. We got an Elliot. We got Seb, JC, Bob, Corrupted BLT, which I believe is actually the maker of this box. Corrupted BLT. So we can also try like an ID, see what type of permissions we have, things like that. You never know. Let's go ahead and do a echo pipe ID. And then I'm also wondering if we can do like a which Python, anything like that. And then maybe be able to send up bash reverse shell, Python reverse shell, something. Okay, we just got ready www data, echo pipe, which Python. Maybe a netcat reverse shell, send up some type of reverse shell, see if we'll run it. So we got a user bin Python. Alright, I'm going to grab that like right there. Let's try for a reverse shell. Okay. So let's go ahead and try echo, then we'll just pipe it again like that. Let's go ahead and try a Python reverse shell over here. So we Control Shift D, and we'll do a cat my scripts reverse shell python.txt. So we can grab that, and all we gotta do now is just change the IP address 10.10.10.15, and make sure that we got a listening port open, right? So we'll do 10.10.10.15, 10.10.10.15. Let's get a copy of that in case it actually does work, and let me open up a listening port and see LVMP 4242, I believe it was, right? Yep. Let's go ahead and submit that and see if we get anything back down here, which we don't yet. Nice try, but you never get through this bulletproof PHP code. Wonder what's making it do it now. We did do an echo, then a pipe, right? I wonder if it's like looking at stuff in here and seeing stuff. We got something with that before, right? Let's try it like that. Can we do something like that? We did get a problem before whenever we did a semicolon like that. We got pretty much the same exact thing whenever we did a semicolon. So let's go ahead and replace all the semicolons with pipes. See if that works. I don't know if that's going to break the code or not. Shouldn't, because I think that's pretty much say that thing, right? So I don't think it should break the code. I think I also picked like the longest one to actually do too. Probably was the smartest idea. Let's try that. Copy him down. Submit him. Yeah, he's not calling back. Let's try something a little bit smaller here. Yeah, I didn't know what the heck to do with that. Let's go and try something like a little bit smaller. Let's go and cat a, I don't know, scripts, bash reverse shell. So he's got something like this that looks a lot easier to me to run. So we can echo pipe Control V, and we'll do a 10, 10, 10, 15. That's going to be toward 4242. Nope, didn't like that either, now did he? Now we just need to figure out how are we going to do a reverse shell. Now playing King of the Hill. Now we really just have to figure out like what are we going to do for like a reverse shell or something like that. I guess we actually could just start looking at we do the netcat one, the easy netcat one. It like makes like a file or whatever, so we can do like a cat scripts netcat reverse shell. He's not gonna like all that crap, is he? Or if we can just do that netcat tacky. You never know. 4242, right? Yep. You never know. You might not have netcat tacky on there. Echo Control V. Nope. Oh, yep. Okay, cool. So we just did a netcat reverse shell. That's all. So that was easy. Just like, okay, cool. So we did a Control V, boom, and we got a reverse shell back down here. And there we are. So an easy netcat reverse shell. I don't think deleted the bash reverse shell. Thought I did. Yeah, I did. It was weird how I deleted it because I didn't like, it was like 1.9 at a time, so it was just like, because all of a sudden I saw the 0 again. So, alright, cool. Let's attack LA. Alright, let's CD into home, I guess. CD into Bob, that's what the box is called. Not seeing anything in here. Let's go and CD into desktop. CD into Elliot. This is dumb.txt. The admin is dumb. I hope Bob is fired at the future second breach because of the confidence I always want to fix it myself, but at the same time it doesn't affect me if they get breached. I get paid. If he gets fired, it's a good time. Okay. Oh my. Not the nicest person in the world. Well, whatever. JC doesn't look like he has much going on. Seb. Seb doesn't really look like he. I mean, he's got Mozilla profile. I mean, we could already start to look at all that stuff, but not really seeing much going on here. So now let's go ahead and cat scripts. SUID lookup, I guess. We'll try something like this. We can also throw a what is it? We could also try to do something like F user mount 3G. So say we can also try to do something like a limp piece. Nothing really in there. Jesus. Who had the admin as dumb again? Elliot? I just feel like, why do we care? Oh, in fact, everyone in the IT department is pretty bad, but I can't blame all of them. Newbie Sebastian and James are quite new to managing a server, so I can forgive them for that password file they made on the server, but the admin, now he's quite something. Thinks he knows more than everyone else in the department. He always yells at Sebastian and James. Now they do dumb stuff, but they're new, and this is just a high school server. Who cares? They'll try to hack into this, our script kiddies. His wallpaper policy also is redundant. What? Why do we need custom wallpapers that doesn't do anything? I have been suggesting time and time again to Bob ways we could improve the security since he cares about it so much, but he just yells at me and says I don't know what I'm doing. Sebastian has noticed that I've given some tips on better security account. I can't say the same for his friend James, who doesn't care and made his password QWERTY. To be honest, James is the worst. Bob is. James one of the people? Is James, I wonder, JC? What was that, 25468? QWERTY? Yeah, capital Q, yep. Alright, cool, so we found that now. Damn it, Elliot. You know, this box probably came out also before Mr. Robot, who knows. So, we got that remote code in there, then we found an Elliot stuff, we found all this. Damn it, Elliot. Elliot, you literally, Bob was doing just fine until Elliot came around. Okay, I'm going to call this one Warren. Warren. Alright. So went to home folder, started looking through everything, and found a text file. Tried that with SSH. JC QWERTY. It was it also was a capital Q too. So Bob SSH. ID. Alright, cool. So at least we got something now. We also have we can also try sudo check L because we actually have a password now, don't we? Sudo check L. Root, no password. Bin, systemctl start SSH. All no password. User bin service Apache 2 star. I can do something with that. I know I can actually do something with that. I just forget what I can do with that, but I've done this before. The Apache 2 star thing, I can definitely do something with that. I don't have internet on this box. backup? Did we see something about backup? Hey in there, dev shell backup. Okay. Let's say hint. Okay. Hey in there, hint. And can I do anything with this guy? Doesn't matter what I do, it's just say hey in there. Oh, thank you very much. Someone just came in. Interesting stuff. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Dan Manzo. Am I just gonna keep getting cat? Okay. Am I in something? Because he didn't get that, right? Like, I got the admin is dumb, but why do I keep getting like weird stuff like that? Like I'm not getting anywhere with it. I just keep getting like, you know, it's kind of weird. I can't. What am I supposed to do with this? Less? Maybe? Less or more? Okay, so less works. Okay, cool. Okay, this reminds me of something too, because Bob said something about having passwords, remember? Old password file.html, there we go. I was about to say, Bob said something about that, so that's old password file. QWERTY, that worked. Seb, titanium password hacker sphere N3. What? Okay, Seb. Let's go ahead and try again as him, see if we can find something a little bit easier. Go for the easiest way in, right? Go ahead and do a nano, or not nano, or actually, let me go ahead and quit that. So we got it as him, right? We're in. And then we go to Bob, who still has that old password file. Boom. And I'm going to cat him at first to show that, you know, I can't cat anything. Let's try cat old password file. Just so I can't do that in my notes here. And then I'll do a less. And see if that works. Which we know it does. Let's try less. Alright, so we'll do a less. Whoops, old password file.html. And we see Seb and that. So we got that guy. Boom. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and try to SSH in as Seb. At 10.10.10.42. Tax P, forgot what the IP address was. Or the at port 25468. So we got 25468. 25468. Oh, probably because it's lowercase p, because I'm an idiot. Okay. Now let's try that password. We're in again. Nobody here has redone their password. Nobody has listened to Bob. Now the question is, what can I not do in this one? Okay, looks like everyone hates Bob. Bob is trying to tell them nobody cares. So actually, if it was a real pen test, we would do an ID just to show that, yep, sure enough, that is that person. Whoops, 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 whoops. There we go. Alright. And so now we need to, let's see here. Now we're going to have to do, I mean, I guess we could always try another sudo tac out and see what he can do. If he can do the same stuff, I'm thinking about just running an SUID script, see what we can do with that. He can do the same stuff. Crap. I know I can do then just CZL start SSH. So I could just start up SSH, I guess. And have port 22 open again. Let's try that. Actually refused. Oh, really now? Okay. Apache 2 star. What if I could like make a service? Because it's a star, right? So couldn't I like make a service and then do it like that? You know what I'm saying? Can I do something like that? Like, make some. I forget how to do this. We've done it before. We changed like the R path, stuff like that. We've done it before. So. You know, we're in Sebastian now, right? And this thing is having us move through these different people, right? Maybe we should go ahead and... What is that? Start to actually look at everything. Okay, he can't do a cat either. Session like DM, thank you. But I pretty much could do everything. CD into home. I pretty much do everything from here. CD into sub. CD into documents. The other people are writing notes to each other. Oh, I looked in the desktop already, didn't I? Okay, so I'm not able to find... What are you guys saying over here? Oh, Dan Manzel is also going to be in the CTF. Old password file. It's got VNC. CD in desktop. Documents. Okay, we have documents. Alright. So let's go ahead and cap that stat text. Okay. We got Elliot Seb. Seems to like Elliot. Wants to do well at his job. Gave me a backdoor FTP to install. Apparently, Elliot. Elliot's messing a lot of stuff up, huh? Elliot's a jerk. James does nothing, pretty lazy, doesn't give a shit about his job. I like James. James, he's like the kind of guy that I want to hang out with. Elliot keeps to himself, always needs to challenge everything I do, keep an eye on him, try and get him fired. Ooh, Elliot, you're going to have a tough time. I feel like this, like right here, would help get him fired. But that's staff. Just want CD in the secret. CD in to keep out. CD in the not porn. And we'll do porn. It should be called prawn, duh. Oh my god. There's another folder. I got another idea. Okay. Cat notes not sh. Let's see your clear notes. Harry Potter's my favorite. Are you CD? However, Echo right. I'm ordering pizza. C Santi here. Cucumber Rustner. You gotta stop reading this shit. Time to fix this server. Everyone's annoying. Sticky notes. Gotta buy them. That was actually pretty good. Okay, I got another idea. We can do a CD into Bob, home, Bob, secret. What was this? Home Bob documents, secret, porn. No porn for you. Okay, nothing in there, right? What was this login text.gpg though? Can I pull that down? Can I? We've done GPG stuff before, right? So how do we decrypt a login? GPG decrypt or crack GPG file. I can't because we're not on the actual internet on these boxes. Alright, let's retrace our steps here. CD in to keep out. Not form. Why do the notes not make any sense? The notes aren't notes. Those are not notes like right there. That's impossible. Harpocrates? Is that an ancient god? Harpocrates? You know what, I'm gonna use my phone. That's what I'm gonna do. Harpocrates. Harpocrates was the god of silence in the Hellenistic region, adopted by the Greeks from the god Horus, who in Egypt represented the rising sun. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. We found a god. Alright, so how do you decrypt GPG file? Can I just do like a login, or can I like cat it? And then it's gonna ask me for like a thing. Where am I over here? Damn you. Okay. Where was I over there? I was in secret. Okay, so I just got back. CD in secret, right? CD document secret. Okay. CD keep out. CD not form. That's not what I wanted. Yeah, there's CD in the no looky here. No. I was in documents. Okay, there we go. Login. Less login text. Maybe binary seed anyways, yes. Okay. That's not gonna help me out at all. GPG tag D. Login text, right? Passphrase. HARPOCRATES. Well now. Not all of us. So Bobcat underscore. So can we just SSH into Bob now? Okay, one second. Let me go ahead and have I updated any of my notes? Speaking about all of that. Okay, so we got that. Okay. Figured out all of this was useless. In Bob documents, there's other folders. Other folders and files. Alright. So we found Bob's other folders, right? So we found this. Boom. These notes do not make any sense. Taking the letter from each word, from the beginning of each sentence, we spell out HARPOCRATES, which is the god of silence. Let's start calling that god in my house. From there, we then did this. Whoop. And we used we then used that password for a GPG file that we found. So let's go ahead and try SSH as Bob, I guess. SSH as Bob at 10:10:10:42. Tag P See what the IP address is. 25468. Okay. I don't really think 2546. I don't really think this is OSCP like. It said that was, but not really understanding how. Maybe like just to get to this point, or just to like get into it with like, you know, like the, hey, you can't use that guy, you have to use a pipe. We used echo and found out that we can echo stuff back to us. Maybe just that part. Maybe like, hey, you can't use cat over here, you have to use less or whatever. Maybe that. But I don't know. Sudo tac L. We got Bobcat. And he can run everything, so sudo su root. And there we go. So we can run every single thing, and we'll su into root. And now we are now root. Is that ever supposed to find a user text? Alright, let's go ahead and cd into root. And I guess cd in desktop. I think cd // documents. Are there any actual flags in here, or is this just like, yeah, it's a root? You rooted Bob. Good job, man. Good job, bro. You done did root Bob. You know, like, I've got to see, like, where is this thing at? You need a Bob? Desktop? Documents? What do we find? I don't know where the flag is. I don't know. Oh no. Where are the documents? There's no flag. So, oh well. Document downloads? CD into downloads? Or CD /downloads? Hello again, .py, Wheel of Fortune .py, what the heck? Pro FTPD 1.3.3, isn't that the one that's messed up? Wait a second, isn't that the one that's like super messed up? Search exploit Pro FTPD 1.3. 1.3.3c, yep, backdoor execution, yeah, that's the one that's like super duper messed up. So what if we could just run into Bob? One second, can we just cd into Bob and actually just ran that? And then just created the backdoor, which would then get us root. Hold up. cd into Bob, home Bob, that'll be pretty sweet. I have to be like, home Bob downloads. So in GCC, Pro FTP, TACO, Pro FTP, yeah, like that, right? Other way. Huh. Maybe not. Oh, I got CD in there. Can I like get this guy like up and running again? Yeah. I know the terminal IP address of Millbrook High, error, no valid service configured, error process configuration file, use a local etsy. I bet you we could probably like find this and like put it back on there. If we really wanted to, I bet you we could probably fix this whole thing and just have gotten it like that. What's up, Z? How you doing? We probably could have did that, huh? We may have been able to just do that. I don't know how to do it. It was like Pro FTP, I have no idea. But I'm pretty sure we probably could have did that. And just got that whole thing working like that. 'Cause that would have been pretty cool. Oh, this is Bob. We just rooted it. We can't find a root flag. We don't think it actually exists. Cat scripts user flag user find files.txt. No, not that. Find user text.txt. There we go. Let's try to do like a flag. Flag.txt. What the heck? There's a / flag.txt. Where? Root.txt? No, there's no root.txt. What about flag? Supposedly there's a flag.txt. Let's see here. I'm gonna cat that. Oh! We did it! We rooted him! Yay! What happened to the corrupt account name? What do you mean? The corrupt account name? Which one? Bob? Bob was Bob had his password in the GPG, and then we used the notes that he had to use the first line of each note, since it don't make any sense. We put that together, found out that that was the God of Silence, and then used that to do his GPG file. So we found our flag. Cool. The corrupt dude, I don't know. It doesn't say they got fired. I don't know. No, I want the whole thing. There. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what actually happened to Bob or everybody else. So that was a pretty good one. I mean, I don't know how much we actually, how OSCP like that was, but I mean, that one wasn't bad. It was really just this part right here that was kind of, you know, like, what the heck? Get the actual flag. Oh yeah. I got the actual flag. No worries. I got the whole thing.